When numbering your pages, you may want to have your first page as a blank page. So to do that, you simply go on insert. You go on insert. Then under insert, there's page number. Let's say bottom of page. That now the thing is that we don't want our first page to have a numbering on it. So to do that, we simply go on different first page. Then you click on close header and footer. Then if I start a new page, it starts from 2. Then the first page remains blank because of the different first page, and that's how you make your first page blank.